Hello dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. We are in the sunny and gorgeous Benidorm town once again. Every single year more and more people choose Benidorm for their Christmas and New Year's holidays. And right now, when it's only 2 days left before Christmas, 1 day left up until Christmas Eve, let's go and see what Benidorm is looking like, especially its old town and the Poniente beach. And there's even a market that they've opened up especially for the Christmas holidays. Let's go. We start today's video right next to Milord's Suites, a lovely place, quite affordable I must say, right in the heart of the old town by the loveliest Dove Park. Today this area is closed. I think they're cleaning it because it's quite wet and they're closed it for safety purposes, but all of the rest of the park is actually open. And there is a small market that is back on track. It's back here. It's supposed to be for the Christmas celebrations. So let's see what it has. Hotel Cologne, for example, is closed right now for holidays. Some more restaurants, some of them are open, others are not. But this is what winter has in Benidorm. Even so, the vast majority of places are still open. The gorgeous Poniente beach, our most favorite beach of the whole entire region. The brand new area that they did, the walk promenade at the beach, the palm trees, the sunshine. This is absolutely incredible. A lot of people came to the beach to play some sports games, volleyball, and some more. Some people are taking some freshly roasted chestnuts, 3, 5, and 10 euros, depending on how big the portion you will ask. And the lovely doves and pigeons too, and mixes between doves and pigeons, are here at the Dove Park waiting for the people to give them some snacks. They live here the whole year long. Someone asked us where do they live in winter. Here on the trees, on the palm trees, inside of the leaves, on the branches, they live whole year long. Since beginning of this year, they've forbidden to give them food, to purchase the food here, nuts, walnuts, to give it to them, and some seeds. So people still bring bread for them. 70 euros! Oh my goodness. These probably are natural materials. It's like from Mexico, you know, natural materials. Leather bags, 25, 30, 35, 50, depending on the size. Some crafts, lottery tickets. If you feel like you're lucky, you can try one of those. But it's difficult if it's a big prize. Being a non-resident, it's quite difficult. But still, if you get a tiny bit of money, you can spend it here on the market. In front, we have the typical things, which are caramelized nuts, walnuts, all recently made right here, and obviously typical Spanish turrón. This is the one that you have here on the screen, and there's a lot of different varieties with fruit, with black chocolate, white chocolate, with almonds, dry one, sugared one, with waffle. A lot of different varieties you can find out here, and just purchase it if you want something more special for your holidays. Ooh, look at this. These are some fancy socks. This is interesting. Look at this. Just a few euros. We have socks with pizza, with a rainbow, with pineapple, with ice cream, with chili, with cats, with spaghettis, and a lot more. This is actually a fun gift. Hey, if you have someone who's a fan of like funny socks and interesting socks, unusual ones, then you can actually purchase it here and bring it as a gift from Benidorm town. Then you have these keychains, like key locks. These ones are with Pokemons. I'm just checking if there's something that our daughter might like, but didn't find a lot. There's just Pikachu and like typical Pokemons. And ooh, there's a lot of police. Actually, we've been seeing a lot of police walking, passing by. Usually this happens during very big events, but right now it's not the case. Right now, just generally speaking, during these Christmas weeks, there's a lot of police officers. Right below these gorgeous palm trees with blue skies
A lot of people are going for a walk, exploring, buying some souvenirs, and police is even walking without a car, walking to check that everything is fine. There's some magnets out here. Let's check these. Benidorm, then you have the skyline of Benidorm, Spain, and some more typical like best grandma, best grandpa, best dad, etc. But these are like typical, you know, these are like typical. Let's stop slightly, go slightly with a lower speed because I don't really want to be filming the police officers the whole time. You know, they are authorities, so you do not need to show them like this, you know. Some cozy socks. Cozy socks, €5, and then smaller ones are for €4 for children, or if you have small feet, then for €4, if not for five. A lot of scarves, €8. These ones are for six, for example. There's a lot of scarves, different things too. Oh my goodness, look at this. These are even covering the mouth and the nose. I mean, it would be perfect for our holidays in Granada, in Sierra Nevada, where we went a few days ago, when we filmed for you guys in Sierra Nevada. If you still did not see the video from the ski resort, the most famous one in Spain, check it out, because it was really, really interesting to get to know how things work in a ski resort in Spain. Apart from that, there's some pictures right here. This is all hand painted with some rocks that symbolize family members. If you want to make a special gift for someone, then this might be one of the options. I love Benidorm typical sweatshirts out here, some random t-shirts, more magnets for a couple of euros, more socks. I feel like it's all the same. Remember when we've been to this market in summer, in spring, last year, pre-last year, 2 years ago, and more or less it's exactly the same, which is not good. It's supposed to be a Christmas market, not just a regular market. And the only thing you have here is scarves, socks, a couple of things for handmade bags. That's a good thing. For example, some turron and nuts, also a good thing. And here we have some scents and some Indian type of style of scented candles and something for the household, which is also great if you love strong smells. What we personally love is this brand new area that Benidorm did. This is a open air gym of a kind. All this is brand new. So a lot of people can come here and make some basic exercise, but still any time of the day. And many people that are of a third age that do not want to go to the gym are coming here to make some exercise early in the morning, which is very, very nice. And there's some children's playground that for some reason a grown-up woman is using it when it is for children. I just hope she's not gonna break it. Well, she's with her children right there, so obviously, sometimes us parents also want to have some fun. Sometimes our children or grandchildren are asking us to do something like this. So why not? If you're not gonna be breaking it and will be cautious, why not to use it and have some fun? H10 Porto Poniente Hotel right here in front, closed for winter holidays. And look at this! There's people sunbathing, swimming in the sea, and having a gorgeous day outside. This is absolutely spectacular. And look at this!
Here we have one of the legends, Abuelo Ken.
Sí, bueno, me llamo Mulero-OK.
I'll put you his details right here. Graba aquí, ¿no? También por Benidorm o por toda la zona.
Sí, por toda la zona de Benidorm.
Por toda la zona.
Sí.
TikToks, ¿no?
Sí, TikTok y YouTube también.
También.
Sí.
He's filming also here in TikTok mostly, but on YouTube too, and has a very, very nice Christmas decorated mobility scooter with us. If you can follow him on his TikTok. He's doing lives, directos, ¿no?
Sí, sí, también.
Sí. He's doing lives as well, so there we go. Santa with mobility scooter. Fun atmosphere in Benidorm.
We've seen an authentic Santa Claus of Benidorm town, and now it actually feels like pre-Christmas season.
This this is how the Poniente beach is looking like. As you could have seen, there is a market, but it's more or less the same market that we have every single year here in Benidorm. A few good things, Benidorm's magnets, but if you want very, very good ones, there are some nice souvenir shops in Benidorm at Calle de la Carretera. There is very nice shops by the old town as well. Fotos del Castel, you know, the most authentic souvenir shop. We actually have a video of all the best souvenir shops in Benidorm here on the channel. So if you want to check it out, just search in Benidorm by Anna's souvenir shops and you will see the video right away, or search it in our playlist about Benidorm recommended videos. And you will be able to discover all the prices, everything that they offer. But here there's just a tiny bit of magnets and that's basically it. Apart from that, typical Spanish caramelized nuts, walnuts, caramelized apples, like all these things. Turron, obviously. Turron is something that you need to try if you will be here on winter holidays. The most typical ones probably will be turron of Alicante, turron de Gijona, or just any kind of bland, dry with fruit ones and mazapan. There's a lot of different variations, even dark chocolate one with almonds, which is actually like a huge chocolate tablet, but still it's called turron. A lot of different options out here, and some of these sweets you can actually try them out here on the market. All the rest, there are some scarves similar to the one that I'm wearing right now because I'm slightly constipated after our snow trip to Sierra Nevada. If you want to check it out, we have our vlogs channel in Spanish, and we're gonna leave you a link here down below. You can check it out there. It's gonna be posted in a couple of days time. And you have the full entire video from Sierra Nevada here on the channel too, which is where you can discover what it's like to go on the snow here in Spain. Do you need to be a good skier to visit the Sierra Nevada ski station? Or if it's not the case, and what are the prices right now in 2023, 2024? And apart from all the scarves and all the magnets and some typical Spanish sweets, this is basically it. There's not much more you can purchase there. Yes, some nice pictures with stones for a family as a memory of your holidays here, but all the rest is the old same good thing that we've seen here for years and years. And some of them don't even have a color on them, so I suspect they've been coming here. These magnets have more history than a lot of other places. They've been here for years and years and years. So not everything is good, but at least there is some market out here. Although, could you call it a Christmas market? Probably not. And then the cherry on top of today's cake was the Christmas Santa Claus. He's a TikToker slash YouTuber. Doesn't post a lot on YouTube though, mostly on TikTok for a Spanish audience. And he does a lot of lives. And as you can see, he's going with his mobility scooter all decorated for Christmas and as a Santa Claus. What can be more fun than that? And you can spot him here on the Poniente beach or on the Levante beach too and make some nice pictures with him. Quite a nice person, I must say. We liked talking to him. Thank you for accompanying us on today's short walk down the Poniente beach, the non-Christmas market. And I hope you enjoyed watching it. Greetings from this sunny and gorgeous Benidorm town just a couple of days before Christmas. And we'll see you in a new video tomorrow. Bye, dears.